my emotions in a healthy manner and just become the right person that actually matters. And every day I drive my car to my little job, and I find some peace in the stations.
Hello everyone, we are live from the DAPS campus and today we are here to let you show something very special which has happened in DAPS. As you all know that you can see there are very precious and very well-known monuments in India, and you can see that these are the projects given by our school's respective subject teachers. As you can see here are beautiful kind of projects prepared by the students of DAPS. As you can see, all the students are with their projects standing in a queue and waiting for their turn for the explanation of the project. So we are coming to the very first project. As you can see here, will you please tell me what is the project about?
Qutub Minar.
So can you tell me something about this Qutub Minar?
The Qutub Minar was built by the first ruler of the slave dynasty, Qutubuddin Aibak. Its construction was started in 1193 and finished by Qutub slave dynasty second ruler Iltutmish.
And will you please tell me how much time did you take in building this project and preparing this project?
4 days.
4 days. And who helped you out in making this project?
Outline.
Your friends. So how many students were there in your group?
4.
4. The names of the students?
Saksham, Shubham, Raj and Pratik.
And who gave you this project?
Anubhav Sir, our respected assistant teacher.
Assistant teacher. So this is assistant project.
Yes.
Okay. Thanks a lot to Anubhav sir who gave this beautiful project to the students. And due to this, the students are able to know about their monuments which are available in India and which are situated in India. So coming back to the next monument of India, I can see here there is the Red Fort. So who has made this beautiful project? Sorry? Oh, you have made the project. So will you please tell me about this project?
That it was made by thermocol, papers, and colors.
And will you please tell me about the Red Fort?
Red Fort is a historical fort in the capital city of Delhi. It is a significant location because every year on Independence Day, the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag from the ramparts of Red Fort. It was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in 1630.
Okay, so DAPS, or we can see here there is a beautiful Taj Mahal located here. As you can see how beautiful the art is given by the students of DAPS. So who has made this project? Nupur Das. So will you please tell me something about this project?
This is made up by thermocol, small beads, and fabric.
And how many days did you take to prepare this project?
2 days.
Just in 2 days you were able to make this.
Yes, sir.
So now coming back, as I can see here is I guess Lotus Temple. So it is prepared by you, Arush.
Yes, sir. Me and my friends.
You who are there in the groups?
Sir, there is Shubham, Aniket, and Rishi.
Okay, will you please tell me something about this project?
Sir, the Lotus Temple was built for design and to a place of worship for different kinds of religion, and this is also known as the highest place of worship.
Okay, and how much time did you take in preparing this project?
It took 3 days to complete the project.
Yes, these are made up from sticks or something else?
Sir, these are made from cardboards and paper.
Okay, very good. Good to see such beautiful art and creature in DAPS, as DAPS always believes in enhancing students' quality. And we also provide beautiful topics to the... I can see here another Red Fort is here. So will you please tell me something about this project?
So Red Fort is located in the Delhi, opposite to the Chandni Chowk market. It
Okay.
was built by the famous Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in 1940.
In 1648.
1648.
Okay. Okay, and as I can see here, very sharp work is done and very creative work is done to complete this project. How have you managed it? In India, it's I guess Kedarnath.
Brihadeshwara Temple.
Sorry.
Brihadeshwara.
Okay, where is it located? Will you please tell me about this?
It is located in the Thanjavur, Tamil Nadu, and it was built by one of the greatest Chola ruler, who was Rajaraj Chola first in the year 1010 CE, and it is dedicated to Lord Shiva, and It is a remarkable example of Dravidian architecture. And as you can see, the pyramid, this is known as a Vimana, and this is about 216 feet in the height, and the Sikra is about 80 ton in weight, and this entire temple is made with granite.
Sikra, what do you mean by Sikra?
Sikra is a stone that is placed on the
The
top of
the
the temple.
Okay. And how have you managed to? I think this is an elephant, right?
No, sir, they are rabbits.
Oh, these are rabbits. So how have you managed to prepare it?
Sir, we have done here clay work. We have used clay to make these rabbits, and the entire project is made with only cardboard.
Okay, it's very good to see, and it's very encouraging signs for the students that they always not only believe in making the project, they also believe in doing fine works in the project. As we can see here, will you please tell me one more thing? How much time did you take to prepare this project?
We have spent about 4 to 5 days. We
Okay.
have worked 3 hours a day, and
Okay.
then this project is complete.
And where is this temple located?
So this is located in Thanjavur, Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. Okay, so very good to see. We have come across these things very first time. And what next? What is this? Taj Mahal. Okay. Will you please explain me something?
And we were made with the help of thermocol.
Okay, thanks a lot. Another red food. Another red food. Okay. Please tell me something about it. Hmm?
Red Fort, located in Fort, is a historical fort in the Indian capital city of Delhi. It is also a significant location because every
At Delhi,
Hmm?
it is 42 meters.
See another beautiful temples. Look at the pieces and the most beautiful design, and look at the close work the student has done to complete this. I guess this one is Golden Temple. Who has made this project? You three of you. Okay. Will you please explain me about the project?
So this is Golden Temple, and it is also known as Harmandir Sahib or Darbar Sahib, which is located in Amritsar, Punjab, in India. It is the holiest Gurudwara and most significant spiritual site in Sikh religion. It is the Guru Gobind Granth Sahib, who is the holy scripture of this temple.
In the projects, it is, as we can see, every project is milestone for students like you. So how was the competition? How you take the competition as what should be the level of your project? Was exciting for you? A challenge?
To another Qutub Minar, as we can see here. Who has prepared this project?
Sir, we too.
You two. Will you please tell me something?
And there are many stories. There are 5 stories present in the Qutub Minar, which lie.
I've seen another project. It's a small project, but it is done very neatly. As we can see here, here is another Qutub Minar with its surroundings. Place, है ना? Will you please tell me about the project, Kriti?
So it's a Qutub Minar, and the Qutub Minar is a towering symbol of India's rich cultural and architectural heritage, which is one of the tallest minarets in the world, and it lies in a height of 73 meters. The Qutub Minar was commissioned by Qutbuddin Aibak, and it was completed by his successors Firoz Shah Tughlaq and Iltutmish.
Who gave you the project?
So our respected Anubhav sir gave this project.
Will you please tell me, when you see your students of your classes making such kind of beautiful projects, are you inspired by seeing this project to do further better in the upcoming projects? Okay, it's very good to see in DAPS. We always focus on the students' strength, not only on mental ability but also on their personal ability. And we tell the students to know about the historical places we have had or we have in India. So this is the things, as you can see, all the monuments are located in India only. So these are the projects, and these were the projects given by our SSC faculty and other senior teachers and junior teachers, and we can see that the students of even class 3 have made their projects in such a way that it does look very amazing, and it is satisfying to it is very satisfying too and pleasing too. Thanks a lot. A huge clapping for you for completing this beautiful project, है ना? And we always wish you a good life ahead, and you keep on doing this good work ahead. Thanks a lot.
So